Hello, Professor. I'm SongziCao, and my number is N19920310. And in problem 5, we suppose 100 people are waiting for a blood test for cancer disease. The probability that for one person the test result is positive equals to 0.1. And there are two test methods are as follows. In method 1, test each people one by one. Then we have to do 100 tests. So the number is really a large one. But if we take method 2, we divide 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people in each group. Then mix 10 people's blood and test that mixture. If the result is negative, then everyone in this group is negative, then we only test one time. If the result is positive, then we test these 10 people's blood one by one. Now, the number of tests become 1 at 10 is 11 times. By this method, we can have a smaller number of tests. And so in question, we'll calculate on the average what's the number of tests we need to do. So at first, we have to calculate the probability for each group has no positive blood. It's equal to 0.9 to 10 times, equal to 0.349. That's because for one person, the test result is positive, all is independent to another person. So everyone has this disease is independent to each other. We can calculate them by multiply them each together, so we can get in one group has no positive blood the probability. So we can easily get the probability of the group has positive blood equal to 1 minus probability of the group has no positive blood equal to 0.651. Then we can calculate that one group average time equal to 0.651 multiply 11 at 0.349 multiply 1 equal to 7.51. Because we have 10 groups, so totally we have to, on average, the number of tests we need to do equals to 7.51 multiply 10, so equal to 75.1 and nearly 76. So in this question, what's the best way to calculate to test 100 people? I think is divide them into two groups with 50 people in each group, and then we divide this 50 people into two groups if 25 people, and such as do these things again, we divide them into two parts and into two parts. We test these groups one by one, and we can get a result. Because I calculate that if we divide 100 people into 20 groups, we on average the number of tests we need to do is 78. But if we divide 100 into two groups, we can calculate that on average the number of tests we need to do is equal to 55. So after we divide the 100 into two groups, have 50 people, we can consider this 50 people is a new group, and we can test them by dividing them into two parts. So do these things, we can get the best way to test these people, and I think this is the best way and can get the smallest number of the tests. That's all. Thank you.